Okay, this vehicle came in for a oil pressure warning light on the dash. You can clearly see after getting the sending unit out, this thing definitely has some oil residue on the outside, but what concerns me is what's on the inside of the connector. Definitely don't want to have oil on the inside of the connector because it can definitely give you a false reading. Anyhow, I can't guarantee this is going to be the fix, but definitely the cheapest place to start. Okay guys, got the new sensor installed. It's also a good idea to clean your connector, also to put some pressurized air on it, make sure it's clean and dry before you reinsert the connector into the new sensor. Also a good thing to check your oil. I probably lost about 1/4 of a quart while doing this job, so always a good thing to check your oil after this. But nothing left to do but fire it up and see if it fixed the light. Okay, now that we got the job complete, time to fire it up, make sure it fixed the light. Oil light on. Oil light off. I'd consider that a success. Okay guys, after you let the engine idle for a few minutes, it's always best to check your oil level and then get down under and just make sure your repair was complete with no leaks. Nothing left to do but drive it, and thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.